Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing? If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please feel free to join the family by clicking on that red button that says subscribe and join the family. I need you here. I honestly need you here. Subscribe and also click on that bell button that will appear, that give you a notification every time I upload a new video. And for my returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming to support me. Thank you for your love, and I really do appreciate everything. Okay, so in today's video I want to quickly share with you guys a DIY that I just discovered, homemade body scrub that I just discovered, guys. This body scrub, it's amazing. It's my first time using this body scrub and I love every bit of it. It's very easy to make. I put it to you that all the ingredients that we needed for this body scrub, you already have them in your kitchen. They're already sitting printed in your kitchen, and for the ones that you don't have, just keep it. Why buy body scrub when you can actually make one for yourself? Why buy a body scrub when you can actually make one for yourself? Body scrub is very easy to make. It's not difficult to make. Okay, so as you're watching this video, go straight to your kitchen, grab yourself an empty jar and let's make a body scrub. All right,